LinkedRecs AI is the latest AI software making waves in the digital marketing space, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it before you dive in. If you're serious about automating your outreach and improving your LinkedIn lead generation, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share how you can try LinkedRecs AI completely free and why this might just be the best AI tool for your business. So let's get right into it. LinkedRecs AI is designed to automate LinkedIn recommendations, saving you hours of manual work while enhancing your network connections. If you've ever spent time trying to manage LinkedIn recommendations or felt like you weren't maximizing your connections, this software is for you. It's tailored to boost your LinkedIn engagement by offering intelligent recommendations for personalized outreach. First off, LinkedRecs AI uses advanced algorithms to analyze your LinkedIn profile and connections, identifying key opportunities where recommendations can help build stronger relationships. Whether you're looking to enhance your profile credibility, build your authority in your niche, or improve your reputation, this software targets the right people with the right message at the right time. What stands out here is the software's ability to scale personalized outreach. If you've ever struggled with manual prospecting on LinkedIn, you know it can be time-consuming and tedious. With LinkedRecs AI, all this is automated, and you can send highly personalized messages and recommendations to dozens, even hundreds, of prospects without sacrificing quality. Another huge benefit of LinkedRecs AI is its intuitive dashboard. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to navigate, set up, and start generating leads. The AI does the heavy lifting, analyzing your connections and suggesting optimal recommendation strategies. This means you don't need to be a LinkedIn expert to get the most out of it. Now, you're probably wondering, what about the pricing? Well, here's the exciting part. LinkedRecs AI offers a completely free trial through the first link in the description below, which gives you the chance to test its capabilities before committing to a paid plan. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways to dive into a new software, especially with something as crucial as LinkedIn outreach. But here's something that might surprise you. LinkedRecs AI isn't just about automating recommendations. The software also helps you understand your audience better with advanced analytics. You can track how your recommendations are performing and fine-tune your outreach strategies. This kind of data-driven approach gives you an edge in optimizing your LinkedIn strategy. When it comes to security, LinkedRecs AI doesn't cut corners. Your LinkedIn data and personal information are protected, which is a big deal when you're using any automation tool for LinkedIn. The AI adheres to LinkedIn's API rules, ensuring that your account remains safe while you automate your outreach efforts. I also want to highlight that LinkedRecs AI is constantly evolving. The team behind it is committed to making sure the software stays up to date with LinkedIn's algorithm changes. This gives you confidence that you're not only using a tool that works today, but one that's future-proof. And here's the key takeaway. If you're looking for a more efficient, scalable way to generate leads on LinkedIn, LinkedRecs AI is definitely worth checking out. If you're ready to give it a try, don't forget that you can access the free trial through the first link below. Finally, after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've listed my recommended AI software in the description, tools that I personally trust and use to help grow businesses effectively. Make sure to take a look at those as well. That's all for today. Try out LinkedRecs AI for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments.